Vlogging vlog. Mare, kamusta ka naman?
I'm feeling good right now.
Parang nagbe-blur tayo, Mare. Hi guys! Good morning! So today is my graduation day! Yes! So ngayon, papunta na kami ng subway kasi doon kami magpa-park and then subway kami later. See you there! Hey guys! So nakapila kami, kukuha kami ng toga. Anong masasabi mo?
Ay, excited. Kasi finally, ang ganda naman ni girl.
Thank you po. So ikaw naman, Mare, ang ating Maring high
High
honor.
honor.
Anong masasabi mo?
Yeah, with high honor.
With high
Excited
honor.
ka ba?
Yeah, happy kasi nakita tayo.
Ikaw, Mami Joey.
Ay, nakarawas na din.
Finally.
So kukuha na kami ng toga. Ito na guys. Red gown. Hindi mo kaya. Tapos papasok na kami nito. Kasi 9, anong oras na? 9:20, alas 10 yung ceremony namin. Yeah, this is my look.
Ang mga kumari ko.
Uy, vlog to! Ayan, kami ang magkasama for 2 years. Okay, sorry, thank you.
Edward Ceballos with honors. Pritam Chakraborty with honors.
Maring Alma, halika dito, mag-i-interview ako sa'yo. Kamusta naman ang journey mo sa Seneca?
Okay, so keep going now.
It's very challenging, pero so far naman nakarating tayo dito. Yes, nakarating tayo dito. So,
Hindi lang basta-basta makakating with honors mo.
yes, thank you Lord. Thank you classmates.
Yeah, narapan na kami maya.
Yeah. Thank you.
Okay, ikaw naman. Ano ang masasabi mo sa 2 taong journey natin sa school?
It was a roller coaster ride. Yeah.
Yun lang, napaka-short mo naman mag-message.
Roller coaster ride.
Ikaw, Eds, duktungan mo nga, napaka-iksi niya.
Napakahirap pero kinakaya.
Naitawid.
True, naitawid namin ng 2 taon. Grabe ang paghihirap namin. 1.4.
Tapos,
Hi, guys, I'm with Marky. Anong masasabi mo ngayon? Anong nararamdaman mo?
I'm feeling great and emotional because finally we made it.
Yes, 2 taon.
2 taon and can you imagine?
At Mari, hindi ka gagraduate ng basta-basta lang with honors po. Hindi mo kaya. Congrats! I'm on my vlog. Say hi to my vlog.
Hi guys!
What can you say for 2 years of study and we're finally graduating?
I'm super happy. I'm so excited and I'm really waiting for that walk moment.
Thank you! Hi guys! I'm with Julia. We've been together for like 2 semesters, right? So what can you say? What are you feeling right now?
I survived.
Yeah, for 2 years.
For 3 years, I survived. We are alive.
Yes. Congratulations, Joya.
Thank you for it too.
Jose, what can you say that we're finally graduating?
Yeah, finally. It's been an amazing trip. So, it's full of emotions, a mix of emotions.
And you're not just graduating a normal person or a student, you're graduating with honors.
Yes, we don't.
Congratulations.
Same as you, right?
Oh, thank you.
Yeah,
Yeah. Guys, bye! Okay guys, so done na yung graduation ceremony and we're here downtown in Harbor Port. Thank you guys! Nasa downtown Harbor Port kami to eat lunch and then that's it!